Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to learn prime factorization. Children, what is prime factorization? Prime factorization is a way to write any number as a product of its prime factors. What does it mean? Let's take an example. If I say 180, suppose if I say take a number 180. So 180 is a product of the number. If we multiply 290 times, we will get the answer as 180. But here 90 is not a prime number, but yes, 2 is a prime number. So what you are going to do, we will leave 2 as it is, and we will uh, divide 90 further till we get the number, both the factors as a prime number. How? We will do this by two methods. One is repeated division, that is LCM, least common multiple, that we will do later, but today we will be starting with factor tree. Now children, what is factor tree? Factor tree is when we break the numbers into its factors, continuing the process till we get all the factors as prime number. Same what I have told you in prime factorization. Let's take the example here. What I was saying, I have taken the number 180. Now 180, when you will find out the factors of 180, you will get 180 is a multiple. It is a multiple of 2 and 90. Alright. So 2 and 90 becomes your factor. But 2 and 90 both are not the prime factors. What are prime factors? The number which are divisible either by 1 or by itself. So 2 is a prime number. Yes, I agree. But 90 is not a prime number. So what you are going to do? Going with the definition, continuing the process till we get the factors. So we will continue dividing the number, that is we will divide again 90 by 2. Now how many times 90 will go? It will go 2 into 45. Children, here we will try only using the prime number. We cannot use here 4 or 6. No. Why? Because the number which are multiplied by 4, that is anyways multiplied by 2. So all the even numbers are multiplied by 2. Okay, and 180 was even number, 90 was even number. Okay, now let's see. So 90 will go 45 times into 2. Now children, 45 is not an even number, it is an odd number, so it will not be divisible by 2. So now we will take next smallest number. The very first smallest number was 2. Now we will take 3. And yes, 3 is a prime number, so yes, we can take this number. You cannot divide first by 3 and then by 2 and then by 5. No, it has to go from smaller to bigger, that is from the in ascending order. It has to go in an ascending order. Okay, starting from the very smallest number, then increasing the number in its bigger order. All right, so 90 was divisible by 2. Yes, now 45 is not divisible by 2 since it is an odd number, so we will try dividing by 3. Yes, 3 will go 45 how many times? 15 times. When you will multiply 3 into 15, you will get the answer as 45. So here on the top we write the product, and here are the factors. On the top we write multiple and the number which are coming out of this is your factors. All right. So 3 and 15 are the factors of 45. Yes. Now 15 is again an odd number, so it will not be divisible by 2, so we will again divide by 3. 3 will go 5 times. Now children, a very important thing. Now 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. You know this. We have done these kind of exercises before, that which number is prime and which is not. So 3 and 5 both are prime numbers, so we will not spread it further. So we have got the answer for 180 is 2 into 2, 3 and 5. Okay, this is the way to solve a factor tree. We will start from the biggest number. If the number is even, start dividing by 2. If the number is not even, start with 3. Do not start with the bigger number and then go with the smaller ones. No, that way it will be wrong. Okay, try and it will be confusing also. So try using the smaller number, and then from smaller, then we will be gradually coming to the bigger ones, 2, then 3, and then 5. If suppose there was another number here, suppose any number, say 25. So 25 will go, it does not come in the table of 3, so you can start with 5. Okay.